Hi teacher, my name is Grace. My course is Environmental Engineering, the level 3. Now I talk about about the drawing. The first picture is the Bob Esponja Gary. It sounds good. It sounds good to have a friend as cute as Gary. The second picture that makes me think is the most cartoon because it is a 3D image. The third picture, my brain hurts. It is less real than any drawing. The fourth picture, the picture is my favorite. This image makes me feel good because it transmits more naturalness than the previous image. The final picture. This image is very sad, and this image doesn't make me feel good because it makes me feel sadder weeping and my loneliness.